Good morning again, YouTube. Dizzy1369 here. 10:18 a.m. June 19, 2013. And again, here's how our day is progressing. So I still haven't seen any visible planes leaving trails. Well, there's obviously been some kind of chem action, whether it's chemtrails or chem bombs. I don't know, but you can see the HARP signatures in the clouds. But anyway, yeah, there's a post I wanted to put out there. It's on the Chemtrail Global Skywatch page on Facebook. And someone mentioned that there's been an increase in unusual activity, the amount of fighter jets flying around. And a lot of comments on the post indicate that that is happening scattered throughout the United States. So my question to you people out there is, have you noticed an increase in fighter jet activity? Maybe flying where you're not used to seeing them flying, or just more frequent? Yeah, I'm just curious. In the United States, in Canada, anywhere, if this is something you've noticed. And if you are a Air Force personnel, then maybe you might be able to shed some light on, is it an actual increase, or are people just noticing more? Yeah, so I just thought I'd put that out there and see what I get back, what kind of response I get back. As to why there'd be an increase, or Air Force jets flying where they usually don't. Some people are saying they're seeing them and they've never seen them before where they're seeing them. So is it just some kind of mass exercise, countrywide exercise, or is there something going on? It's just something I'm curious about, and I know a lot of other people are too, so yeah, if anyone can shed some light on that, let me know. Alrighty, Dizzy1369 signing out. Ciao for now.